Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Hilo, local, and long distance movers near me. If you need to move your valuables into or out of Hawaii, you'll need to contact a moving company to figure out how you want them moved. 3 Movers is aware of the challenges you may be experiencing. As a solution, we'll dispatch a team of specialists to assist you and expedite the process. We have great experience in long distance state to state and cross country transfers. Federal and municipal authorities have granted us authority to perform moving services through licensing and insurance. Our services include packing and loading, and we have a special packaging for long distance removals, including containers. We can also store items that are waiting to be picked up. A successful move necessitates meticulous planning. Contact us for a free quote instead of loading all of your goods onto a truck and transferring them with the danger of damage or loss. Consider it our responsibility to look after your belongings along the travel. We package and load the goods appropriately, and when they arrive, we will unload, unpack, and rearrange everything for you. We'll make sure you have time for your other obligations. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Hilo moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.